As I reflect upon my Olympic experience, 12 years of training, I'm often asked by younger athletes, why did you stick with it? Why did you stick with it during the hard mornings, during the long nights, during the uncertain times, during the aching body? Why did you stick with it? In self-determination theory, which is well studied and well understood, is probably the best framework I've seen to explain why I stuck with it. I was getting better. I was able to do it in my own way. And I had a strong bond with the people around me. One of the best stories I have about this is my friend Kevin. And when I first met Kevin, Kevin sat in the stroke seat of our rowing boat, which was the leader of the boat, who set the rhythm of our rowing boat. But our coach decided, as we were moving to the Beijing Olympics, that Kevin would be better suited sitting in the bow seat of the boat. And at first, Kevin was disappointed because he moved from a place where people were looking at him, where he was setting the rhythm, where he felt a little more important, to a place where he was at the back of the boat. But he realized that he had autonomy. He realized that he had a choice. He realized that he could either stay in the boat and find the best of what he could find in that boat, or he could leave the boat, and he wanted the boat. We had a shared goal. We had something we wanted to do together. So what he said was, I want to be the best bow seat in the boat. I'm going to take advantage of being in the boat, and I'm going to find every little thing that I can do to be the best in this seat, in this boat. He also reframed it. He said, you know what, even though I've moved to the back of the boat, rowers go backwards, so technically I'm still in the front of the boat. Which means I'm going to be the first one to cross the finish line, which means I'm the first one to celebrate. And when we won the Olympics those many years ago, this picture was on the front page of papers all across our nation. Kevin taking one less stroke than everyone else. And I told Kevin this afterwards, and he said, you know, I didn't take one less stroke. You took one too many. Which is true. But what Kevin taught me and can teach all of us is that it's about attitude. Leadership is about an attitude. It's not about a position. So what is the attitude you can bring to your seat in the proverbial boat? Your role within Hoya, your role within this organization?